I'm not the most consistent with art, but what's a bit consistent is my love for drawing anime, guys. Yes, anime shonen. I've never drawn animals much, and the one time I did draw, the dog ended up looking more like a bear than man's best friend. Also, this was in 2022, and that shockingly was 3 years ago, so I do not have the best track record. And honestly, I was trying to draw this as a personal thing, and hence I did not record my process, but I ended up spending way too much on this that it would be a pity not to make a video on it, so here we are. Since y'all have the attention span of a goldfish, I'll post the end result first. Not the best, I know, but yup, I learned a thing or two, and continue watching the video if you want to learn them too. Also, I've been having a terrible cold for the past 10 days or so my voice sounds uh, really bad. I hope you understand what I'm talking. I really think my hands have a thing for bears because anything I draw ends up looking like a bear, crying face. Also, Pinterest really needs to get its priorities set because I went there for references and I can't really differentiate AI art from human art anymore because of how good it has gotten. I used a couple of references and turns out those pictures I thought were real life photography were actually AI generated. Some of it, same with other tiger illustrations I wanted to take inspiration from. Some of them were AI generated, which is sad, but I guess that's the reality these days. Anyways, I ended up referencing on other photos from Instagram wildlife photography and also illustrations of various tigers and water bodies and whatnot. It was all a bit too difficult to try and get right on the very first try, but I did try. No matter what I did, the tiger was the ugliest part of the drawing. Like, I knew what was wrong and what wasn't working, but it's like my hands had a plan of their own and they just didn't cooperate.